the crochet hook. You have your crochet hook, you have your yarn. You're taking the cut end of your yarn, you're wrapping it over top the crochet hook from the back to the front, and then you're crossing over the working yarn, okay? I'm going to hold on to the tail of that yarn with my fingers so it just doesn't move. And now I'm simply going to make a chain stitch by wrapping the working end of my yarn from the back over top to the front of my crochet hook. Now you see this little cross that we made at the beginning? I'm going to pinch that cross, and then I'm going to use the crochet hook to pull that yarn over I just made through the loop. Now you can pull the tail. Okay, I just pulled the cut end of my yarn to tighten that slip knot. I can make my loop bigger by kind of, just giving it a little pull here. And I can make it smaller by pulling on the working end of the yarn. Okay, and if you decide that it's not where or how you want it, you can just give it a pull and it will disappear.